the students have come out with a virtual package of their graceful acts to feast our eyes and mesmerize us on this special day. So let us participate, unfold the treasures of love of our beloved students that they have kept in store for us on this day. Now I request the IT team to do the needful. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. We are thankful to God who brings us here to this moment. We come from different states and speak different languages. We all come from different economical, ethical, cultural and traditional backgrounds. Yet we are a family here. The reason for this celebration is to thank and remember our mentors and teachers who are always there to watch us do well. So I wish all the beautiful and talented teachers out there a very happy Teachers' Day. But before we begin, let's remember our former president, Shri Pranab Mukherjee. India grieves the passing away of Bharat Ratna, Shri Pranab Mukherjee. He has left an indelible mark on the development trajectory of our nation, a scholar par excellence, a towering statesman admired across a political spectrum by all sections of the society. But unfortunately, we lost him this Monday. Now let us all stand in silence for a minute and pay tribute to our former president, Shri Pranab Mukherjee. May his soul rest in peace. Thank you. Please take your seats. Teachers, we are back on this September 5th to celebrate and remember your sacrifices and efforts for students' growth. September 5th, this day marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who is the second President of India, and we celebrate this day as Teachers' Day. The day is dedicated to the hard work and importance of teachers in our lives. We feel proud to say that Radhakrishnan is born to a Telugu couple in Tamil Nadu. It was on the occasion of his birthday, after he resumed the office as President of India, a few of his students and friends requested Radhakrishnan to observe his birthday. On replying to that, Radhakrishnan stated, "Rather than celebrating my birthday, I take it a proud privilege if 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day." And from then, every year, 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day. So on this account, I wish all the energetic and enthusiastic teachers out there a very happy Teachers' Day.
It is mark of our undying tradition to invoke the Almighty at the beginning of an event. Like a great philosopher once said, the function of prayer is not to influence God, but rather to change the nation of one who prays. So, I would like to welcome senior Inter students to perform a prayer song followed by a welcome classical dance by senior intermediate student.
You're all together now.
Thank you, students. Now, I welcome Sister Sliva Tuma, correspondent of Maristella College, to give her valuable message.
Good morning to all. On this auspicious day, 5th September, I would like to wish you a happy Teachers' Day with a brief reflection. I am sure you have seen a rotten apple, haven't you? Yes. Though the apple is rotten, it still contains unspoiled seeds which can eventually produce new apple trees. We often say that the society is rotten and there is a drastic degradation of traditional values. But let us remember that society carries its own remedy and it lies in its younger generation. The young need to be rightly oriented and motivated so that they become the agents of transformation in the society. This is your unique privilege as teachers and the secret of your fruitful and productive life. You are the educators and you educate them for life and not only for the living. A lighted candle consumes itself to light the way for others. So also a good teacher whose heart is filled with compassion uses all her creative energies to revolutionize the young minds and hearts with a dynamic approach. During the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown period, all of you witnessed how relentlessly the staff worked preparing themselves to meet this unexpected challenge to be technically sound so as to conduct online classes effectively. The credit goes to our dynamic leader, our beloved principal, Sister Jacinta Quadras. We are grateful to you, Sister. Once again, I wish our dear faculty a very happy Teachers' Day. God bless you all.
గురువన్న మాటలో గురుతర బాధ్యత ఉందని గురు శిష్యుల బంధమే మధురానుబంధము గురువన్న మాటలో గుడిలాంటి బడిలోన గురువు దైవ సమానులు గుడిలాంటి బడిలోన గురువు దైవ సమానులు కనని దైవాని కన్న కనిపించే గురువు మిన్న కనని దైవాని కన్న కనిపించే గురువు మిన్న అన్న మాట కన్న పూట గురువులకే ఉన్నది అన్న మాట కన్న మూట గురువులకే ఉన్నది గురువన్న మాటలో గురుతర బాధ్యత ఉందని గురు శిష్యుల బంధమే మధురానుబంధము గురువన్న మాటలో కల్లా కపటం తెలియని మల్లెలంటి పిల్లలకు కల్లా కపటం తెలియని మల్లెలంటి పిల్లలకు మోసాలు ద్వేషాలు రోషాలు కూడగని మోసాలు భరత పౌరునిగా నడిపించి గురువన్న మాటలో గురుతర బాధ్యత ఉందని గురు శిష్యుల బంధమే అదురానుబంధమో గురువన్న మాటలో.
Next, I would like to call upon our dynamic and visionary principal, Dr. Sister Jacinda Codres, to give a welcome address.
A very good morning to each one of you, dear Sister Sleva, correspondent, vice principals, deans, heads of the departments, faculty, and my dear students. And I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. Everyone loves a story. So let me begin with one, though it's an anecdote rather than a story. It was a dinner gathering. One man, the CEO of a big company, decided to explain the problem with education. He asked, "What's a child going to learn from someone who's decided that their best option in life is to become a teacher?" Then, to make his point, he turned to a teacher who was a fellow guest and asked, "Tell me honestly, madam, what do you make?" The teacher, who had a reputation for honesty and frankness, replied, "You want to know what I make? Well, I make children work harder than they ever thought they could. I make a C grader feel like a champion. I make children sit through 40 minutes of a period when their parents can't make them sit for 5 minutes without a mobile or an iPod or a TV." Then she paused and looked at everyone at the table. "Do you really want to know what I make? I make children wonder. I make them question. I make them apologize and actually mean it. I make them have respect and take responsibility for their actions. I teach them how to write. Using a keyboard isn't everything. I make them read. I make them work out maths. I make them use their God-given brain, not the man-made calculator. I teach them language and communication. To understand and respect all cultures while being true to their own identity. I make my classroom a place where all my students feel safe and secure. Finally, I make them understand that by using their gifts, working hard, following their heart, they can succeed in life." Then, when people try to judge me by what I make, I can hold my head up high and pay no attention because they are so ignorant. She paused again. "You want to know what I make? I make a difference in all your lives, educating your children and preparing them to become CEOs and doctors and engineers." And she asked the CEO, "What do you make, Mr. CEO?" The CEO had no answer. The teacher concluded, "Don't educate your children to be rich. Educate them to be happy, to know the value of things, not the price." Why did I narrate this anecdote? It expresses in a wonderful manner what teachers do for society. And today is the most appropriate day to draw your attention to it. At Maristella, we have been honoring our teachers and recalling their sacrifices and contributions, even in those days when Teachers' Day used to be celebrated only in schools. I know how your teachers have struggled to learn new techniques and evolve new strategies so that you, our students, can continue your education without disruption. The effort has called for great sacrifice and struggle on their part. It is not an exaggeration when I say that they have been learning as much as you. Perhaps this will illustrate the point I am making. With their whole COVID-19 situation, a lot of teachers are facing a unique challenge. No, it's not the SARI challenge, nor it's the motherhood challenge. The challenge demanded that they go through digital transformation overnight. Teachers said, challenge accepted. They hid their tech fears behind a simple smile, and because their children's learning is at stake. The challenge demanded that they have to open their house for public viewing. Teachers said, challenge accepted. They suppressed their inhibitions, forgone their privacy, because their students' learning is at stake. The challenge demanded that they have to make do with limited or no resources. Teachers said, challenge accepted. They started working overtime to plan for teaching without any resources because their children's learning is at stake. The challenge demanded that they may not be paid their full salaries. Teachers said, challenge accepted. They started worrying deep in their heart about their own families. But they were undeterred because their children's learning is at stake. The challenge demanded that they may need to teach while 30 odd parents are watching over their shoulder, judging them for their every little move, including but not limited to their voice modulation, pronunciation, grammar, knowledge, love and warmth. Teachers said, challenge accepted. It didn't matter because their children's learning is at stake. My appreciation and respect for you, dear teachers, can't be expressed in words. I want to salute all the gurus across India because at Maristella, especially at Maristella, who continue to take on the challenges that are piled upon them because their students' learning is at stake and they care. Kudos to you, teachers, who lead by example. Salute to your relentless spirit. Dear students, today you have an opportunity to express your gratitude for all that they have been doing for you, while for them it's an occasion to reaffirm their commitment to true teaching. My dear students, I'm a teacher too. I feel proud to be a teacher. Someone asked a teacher, why do you feel proud of being a teacher? The teacher replied, a lawyer's income increases with crime and litigation. A doctor's income increases with increase in disease and illness. But a teacher's income increases with increase in knowledge, prosperity of people and the nation. That's why we teachers feel proud. On this happy occasion, I congratulate you, dear students of Maristella, for taking initiative to express your love, gratitude and appreciation to your teachers. I am pretty much aware that it was not an easy task for you to organize such a wonderful program. Yes, you have overcome all the difficulties with a spirit of resilience, unity and a passion for learning. Good teachers know how to bring out the best in students, goes the saying. Today's online program put up by you students is a testimony to this truth. I wish each and every faculty member of Maristella all the very best Continue your noble task of empowering the young girls through higher education. May Maristella, the star of the sea, guide us and lead us ever upwards. God bless you. Have a great day. Thank you.
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने नैनों के रंग नैना जाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग जग की कोई रीत न जानी मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग
Pleasant morning to the Honorable Principal, respected teachers and my dear friends. I'm Svetashri M from Senior Intermediate, Maristella College, Vijayawada. We all know that each year 5th September is celebrated as National Teachers' Day to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great academician and an aspiring teacher. He went on to serve India as the first Vice President and later second President. He was also decorated with India's highest civilian order, Bharat Ratna. He always believed that teachers have the best minds and compassionate hearts in the world. It is rightly said that teaching is not a profession, but is a way of life. It's a divine responsibility to guide and enlighten. Teachers shape the future of a nation. They are the cradle of hope and light in a world driven by ignorance. Teachers are the embodiment of patience, passion, resilience, and above all, a human form worshipped only next to God. It is rightly said in our ancient scriptures, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Meaning, Guru is a representative of Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara. He is the one who creates knowledge and surrenders us to the world. He destroys the weights of ignorance, and I bow before him with a heart filled with gratitude and reverence. We all are aware that in these pandemic times, we will forever be grateful to our doctors, healthcare workers, sanitation people, and police forces and security personnel who are striving every day so that we can stay safe and sound in our homes. But I do believe there's another group of people who didn't forget their responsibility and never gave up on their duties. That is none other than our very own teachers. They have been able to bring that ray of education for a progressive society like us. And today, we salute and thank them for all the courage, sacrifice, and patience in teaching us. They just teach not only facts, but also knowledge and ethics, which are the very essence of humanity. So finally, to conclude, a very happy Teachers' Day to all those inspiring teachers who love to teach every day. Thank you.
So before starting the video, I'll just wish all the teachers a happy Teachers' Day, and if you are a teacher watching this video right now, then you may relate this video to yourself, and if you are a student, then go and wish your teachers first. Happy Teachers' Day. Good morning, ma'am. May I come in, ma'am? Tell me one thing, you are here for classes or for fashion parade? What is this jewelry, makeup, blushes, so much of powder, huh? Sorry, ma'am. Can I come in now? My dear, you are already half inside the class. So students, today we will be discussing about last chapter that we finished yesterday. So ma'am, me? Yes, ma'am. I'll just. Ma'am, I was absent yesterday, so I don't know anything about chapter. Ma'am, I know. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Don't beat me. Is this a class or a fish market? I want pin, drop, silence. Pin, drop, silence. Do you get it? Behave like civilized people. Ma'am, may I go to drink water, ma'am? Ma'am, can I? Students, am I audible to you? If you have any problem, you can tell me, okay? Because I am also new to this technology and online classes and all. So whatever queries or problems you are facing, you can just tell me. Any suggestion also. Ma'am, I have to say something. You are doing great with this online classes, and we really do appreciate it with full heart. And keep it up. That's all.
The one who takes a hand, changes a mind, and touches a heart is our teacher. The day kept aside to honor all these gifted souls who makes every student life brighter. Pleasant good morning to everyone. This is Gladys of 2nd.
It is well-known fact that every year we celebrate 5th September as Teachers' Day in memory of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a teacher par excellence and also one of the successful presidents of India. A teacher is not someone who just only confined to the four walls of a classroom. Actually, it's quite the contrary. A teacher is the sum total of wisdom, experiences, kindness, discipline and compassion, an intellectual and spiritual guide. A teacher mentors the student with the purest intention of seeing them spread their wings and take to the skies. One must learn how a teacher is not simply a professional. They are our friends who prepare us for the real world, who want nothing but to see us happy, successful and unbeaten. And when we face hardships, a true teacher is always there to get us keep on going. That teacher can be a close friend, can be our parents, maybe a doting uncle or a wise grandparent. The fortunate ones make the closest friend out of a classroom teacher, and that's a special bond between a teacher and a pupil that has no specific definition, but it is a precious gem that must be treasured forever. A teacher's place is one of the respect, and every teacher who toils hard for the betterment of a successful student is actually someone striving for a better future of the nation. They are creating future world leaders, doctors, scientists, lawyers, philosophers, entertainers and more teachers, what not everything. On this special occasion of Teachers' Day, let us pay our heartful respect to our guides who taught us not just subjects but how to never back down and hold our heads high. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. It is
ఈరోజు టీచర్స్ డే సెప్టెంబర్ 5th కదా.
కరోనా వైరస్ అత్యంత వేగంగా వ్యాపిస్తున్న దృష్ట్యా దేశవ్యాప్తంగా కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం పూర్తి లాక్డౌన్ ప్రకటించింది. అర్ధరాత్రి నుంచి అమల్లోకి వచ్చింది. భారత్ లో ఇప్పటి వరకు 555 కేసులు నమోదయ్యాయి. కరోనా కారణంగా చనిపోయిన వాళ్ల సంఖ్య 10కి చేరుకుంది.
ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెసా?
Hello students, I'm Rekha. I'm your new teacher. So I'm going to teach you biology from today. So it's lockdown and we are all stuck. So we have no other option but we have to go on with the online classes. So all of you are new to me. So let me take the attendance because I don't know any one of you. So first I'll take the attendance. So people, isolation Ira,
Present, miss.
Wuhan Ishita, Wuhan, Wuhan, what is this? Pay attention in the class, okay? I don't encourage this kind of behavior. Pandemic Pooja,
Yes, ma'am.
Vaccine Vanita, Vaccine Vanita,
Yeah, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
okay. Red Zone Ramya,
Present, ma'am.
COVID Akila, COVID Akila, COVID.
Present, ma'am.
Oh my god, COVID, you're too naughty. I'll send you back to China if you repeat this. Sanitizer Sandhya,
Present, ma'am.
Immune Ivanka, Immune, okay fine. Mask Milka,
Present, ma'am.
Atmanirbhar Amala.
Present, ma'am.
So guys, this is a very disciplined class. Almost everyone is present except Immune Ivanka. So guys, today it's a first class, so I'd like to start off with photosynthesis. So do you have any idea about photosynthesis? Come on students, I guess you know that, right? So photosynthesis is a very basic process that is carried out by the plants for preparing their food. So someone, Immune Ivanka. Now who's this Immune Ivanka? Immune Ivanka? Immune?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this Ivanka? Please maintain the decorum of the class. I just don't want this irresponsible behavior. Your class is supposed to start sharp at 9. And what is your timing? It's almost 15 minutes. And you didn't join the class. And you come late to the class. So this is the last and final warning. I will not encourage this kind of behavior, okay? So students, in this class we are going to discuss about photosynthesis. So you know what is photosynthesis? Being biology students, నేను కొత్తగా చెప్పక్కర్లేదు photosynthesis అంటే ఏంటి అనేది. So it is a process which is carried out by the green plants. So because green plants are autotrophs. Just a minute. Mask Milka, Immune Ivanka, Pandemic Pooja and Vaccine Vanita. Unmute your videos. Why did you mute your videos? I just want to know what you're doing behind the cameras. See, I told you I'm not going to tolerate this irresponsible behavior of yours. Yeah. So this process of photosynthesis is basically a very interesting process. It's very important also. So because we all are heterotrophs. Today we are living just because of plants, because they are autotrophs and preparing their own foods, and we as heterotrophs are depending on autotrophs. What's happening in this class? నాకు తెలిసి మీ ఎవరికి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉండట్లేదు. మోస్ట్లీ దిస్ ఇవాంకా, పాండమిక్ పూజ, మాస్క్ మిల్కా, వాట్ ఆర్ యూ పీపుల్ డూయింగ్? అండ్ వ్యాక్సిన్ వనిత, యూ స్టిల్ డెంట్ అన్మ్యూట్ యువర్ వీడియో. హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్ షుడ్ ఐ టెల్ యూ? మీకు బాగా వచ్చేసినట్టుంది టాపిక్. నేను అనవసరంగా నా టైం వేస్ట్ చేస్తున్నట్టున్నాను. మీరే ఎందుకు క్లాస్ చెప్పకూడదు? ఐ గెస్ యూ నో దిస్ టాపిక్, రైట్? ఐ గెస్ వై డోంట్ యూ పీపుల్ టేక్ అప్ అ సెమినార్? వాట్ డూ యూ సే?
Good morning everyone. Good morning ma'am. Good morning Akila. Good morning isolation. Good morning red zone. Good morning sanitizer Sandhya. Good morning to one and all. This is beautiful day నాకు ఈరోజు చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. ఈ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇచ్చినందుకు మ్యామ్ మీకు చాలా అంటే చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ నుంచి మాట్లాడడానికి నాకు చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. ఈరోజు మాకు ఇచ్చిన టాపిక్ గురించి నా ఫ్రెండ్ మిగిలింది మాస్క్ మిల్క్ కంటిన్యూ చేసింది.
హలో మ్యామ్, హలో గాయస్, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. ఈరోజు నేను ఫోటోసిన్థసిస్ గురించి చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నాను. మేడం ఎప్పటి నుంచో మనకు చెప్తున్నారు, మన అందరికీ తెలుసు, మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు. ఫోటోసిన్థసిస్ అంటే PH, మీ అందరికీ తెలిసి ఉంటుంది స్పెల్లింగ్ అయినా, నేను చెప్పేదే ఉంది. ఫోటోసిన్థసిస్ సింథసిస్ విత్ సింథసిస్ ది ఫోటో. ఇది మనం ఎప్పటి నుంచో చూస్తున్నాం, World War II నుంచి చూస్తున్నాం.
Photosynthesis is a process.
What happened, Pooja? Network issue?
Is called as photosynthesis, ma'am. I said just now, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, I'll repeat again. Photosynthesis is the process of is called as photosynthesis, ma'am.
ఫోటోసింథసిస్ సింపుల్ ఈజీ మ్యామ్. ఏం చేస్తాయి అంటే 4 ప్లాంట్స్ పిక్నిక్కి వెళ్తాయి అనమాట. వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ప్లాంట్ ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే మిగతా రిమైనింగ్ 3 ప్లాంట్స్ని ఫోటో తీస్తుంది. ఫోటో తీసినాక ఏం చేస్తుంది, జస్ట్ ఆ ఫోటోని తెలిసి షేర్ ఇన్ వాట్సాప్ అనమాట. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం చూసినప్పుడు 2 టిక్లు పడతాయి కదా సీన్ అని చెప్పి, సో సింపుల్గా ఫోటో సీన్ అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటంటే థర్డ్ ప్లాంట్ వాళ్ళ సిస్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఈ ఫోటోలనే చూస్తుంది అనమాట. సింపుల్గా ఫోటోసింథసిస్ అయిపోయింది, ఫోటోసింథసిస్.
ఈ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ చూసిన తర్వాత నాకున్న సబ్జెక్ట్ కూడా మొత్తం ఇవాపరేట్ అయిపోయేలా ఉంది. సో గైస్, టేక్ అ బ్రేక్ ఫర్ 5 minutes and we'll then continue with the class. So okay students, Sandhya, Ira, Ishita and Ramya, so what is happening ante enti a 4 students ki what is with Ivanka, pandemic, Milka and vaccine enduku alla behave chestunaru? You know, vaccine is failing in all the tests. You know, the world is waiting for her, but she never passed the test. You know, so all results, everything, they don't even listen to the class. So ain't asal problem ain't? What's the problem?
Actually they are very clever, ma'am. In the beginning they were from Telugu background and so they cannot cope up with all these subjects and they think that they cannot do this and they are continuing like this, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm almost failed in all subjects, ma'am. So వాళ్ళు ఏమనుకుంటున్నారంటే ఇంకా ఎంత చదివినా ఇంకా మేము పాస్ అవ్వము. So they are never keeping their interest in subject, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, they were so talented, ma'am, but they were going in a negative way.
Okay.
వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ కూడా ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ కాదు మ్యామ్. సో వాళ్ళకి సపోర్ట్ చేయడానికి కూడా ఎవరు లేరు మ్యామ్. సో వాళ్ళు ఇంకా అలా బ్యాక్ అయిపోతున్నారు.
Okay.
And break time is done, ma'am. Now continue the class.
So students, if you can look at this particular table, what did you notice? So you say this is wrong, right? Yes, I purposely wrote the wrong answer just to make sure that you understand how the world is. I've written the answer correctly for 9 times. But you people didn't appreciate me for writing the right answer for 9 times. But instead, you criticized me for writing a wrong answer once. The world is the same. It is not going to appreciate you for 100 good things you do. It is going to laugh at you for that one mistake you commit. But you will always be successful only when you rise above that laughter and that criticism. So be successful in your life. And that can only happen only when you take everything positively and only when you grow from your failures.
Happy Teachers Day, Rekha ma'am. Thank you so much.
Dear teachers, all our days in Maristella were so beautiful and colorful just because of you. Thank you so much for your consistent support and motivation.
Teaching is the only non-profitting job in the world. Teachers share the most valuable things in return for absolutely nothing. So it is the least we can do to dedicate a day especially for them.
Teaching a bunch of young adults is a difficult task.
But you have used your own methods cleverly and created a comfortable space among us.
We can never forget to mention all of your endless support you pour upon us.
During various events where we come up with silly ideas and performances.
Even we haven't done our best.
You have never let us down. Thank you for that.
Pushing us to participate in different events because you recognize the talent in us.
All the inspiring stories you fill our hearts with.
Even though you only use it as a distracting asset,
will remain in us,
with us always.
There are times we remember when we annoyed you by doing something or by not doing something we were supposed to.
But you are nothing but patient and understanding us during these times.
It is hard to imagine handling a class full of 50 plus students.
But your dedication towards your profession has given you the strength
to teach us with all of your enthusiasm.
We wish we could give you a bravery award for that.
The effort and the time that you have put
into to learn from scratch about how to use technology for the purpose of our online classes
is really remarkable.
Are noticed
and appreciated by all of the students.
Teachers, thank you for always listening,
inspiring,
encouraging,
and supporting us.
You are amazing mentors and great role models.
Thank you for being with us. Happy Teachers Day.
You are the best and happy Teachers Day.
You are the best. Happy Teachers Day.
You are the best. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day to the wonderful teachers over there. Thanks for taking your own time in this difficult situation for teaching us. Thank you so much, and we all really miss you.
The light of the world, the beacon of the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. A hearty good morning to the respected principal, the ever young and energetic teachers, and my dear friends. This is M. Jahnavi from Senior Intermediate HEC, who is going to give a short speech on this special occasion. Today, the 5th of September, is celebrated as Teachers' Day in commemoration of the great leader Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second President of India, a scholar and firm believer in education. A day kept aside to honor all these gifted souls who work each and every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. Let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes on this beautiful day to all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. It is because of these teachers who have awakened our hearts with the light of knowledge and removed the darkness of ignorance. They can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love for learning. They are the sources of knowledge and wisdom. From them leads the idea and thought which guides and motivates us from becoming better people. There is a saying that teachers are greater than parents. As parents give birth to a child, teacher molds that child's personality. Today, let us grab the opportunity to pay tribute to all our teachers for their selfless efforts. Let us also show our gratitude to the teachers who never consider us less than their own children. So, I take the stage to confess that we may not all be in your good books, but this is the best day for all of us to express how much we love you as students. Thank you, teacher, for being there with us as we grow. We will definitely make you proud in the years to come. A happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
said, a good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. In every part of human life, there will be always a teacher who will be like a parent who guides to achieve feats in career and guides us in a right path for our achievement. So there is a saying in a poem in Telugu, Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, Atithi Devo Bhava. Respects to mother, father, guru and guests. They are all forms of God. Teaching is the only one profession that teaches all of the other professions. So don't forget the teacher who guides to reach the sky in your life. So I have a question for everyone. What would be the world without teachers? I know it's the scariest thought which makes us know the value of teachers. This is the most important day where we get a chance to return the gratitude to their love, care, affection, and service. So, on this auspicious day, I wish all the teachers out there a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much for all the love, care, affection towards us. Happy Teachers' Day.
We wish all the teachers out there a very happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning everyone. I am R. Sanjana, Senior Intermediate, Maristella College, Vijayawada. Today is an auspicious day for all of us as we are celebrating the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan as Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day to all of you. A teacher is a mother at school, a mother is a teacher at home. A teacher is a milestone for our success. We can't imagine our society without the teacher. God blesses the teacher with a magical wand and musical voice to mesmerize the pupil into a great personalities. A good teacher is like a candle which consumes itself to light the way for others. In ancient times, rishis used to play a vital role in making the students into great personalities through gurukulas. Students used to treat teachers as the god, as it is continuing till now. Recently, in connection with this COVID-19, Russian President Putin announced that the COVID vaccine has to be given first to the teachers and to the doctors. This shows his respect and honor towards the teachers. We, the Indians, should feel proud for having such a great teachers in our nation. Dear teacher, you are a creator, mentor, role model, what not everything to each of us. I salute to all my beloved teachers and I pay great tribute to Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Now, hold your breaths for another set of mesmerizing performances. I welcome Commerce and Management students with their scintillating performance, followed by PG's MSCS presentation, speech by MA Literature, and a song by Physical Sciences.
మట్టిలో మాణిక్యాలు వారే మా గురువులు మట్టిలో మాణిక్యాలు వారే మా గురువులు త్యాగం సహనం తెలిసిన వీరు భవితకు మారు పేరు త్యాగం సహనం తెలిసిన వీరు భవితకు మారు పేరు భవితకు మారు పేరు మట్టిలో మాణిక్యాలు వారే మా గురువులు కపటం కల్మషం లేనే లేదంటాం చిత్తశుద్ధేమి ఆయుధమని ప్రకటిస్తాం కపటం కల్మషం లేనే లేదంటాము చిత్తశుద్ధేమి ఆయుధమని ప్రకటిస్తాం ఎన్నో ఎన్నెన్నో జన్మల అనుబంధం ఎన్నో ఎన్నెన్నో జన్మల అనుబంధం విద్యార్థి గురువుల బంధం మట్టిలో మాణిక్యాలు వారే మా గురువులు దేవ శ్రీ గణేశ 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 గురు మహేశ్వర గురు సాక్షాత్ పరబ్రహ్మ తస్మై శ్రీ గురువే నమః.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वहीं थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वहीं वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही सिखा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान.
As the saying goes, one child, one teacher, one pen and one book can change the world, by Malala Yousafzai. On this fruitful day, I extend my warm greetings to all the dignitaries gathered here today on this significant occasion where we celebrate the 132nd birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan as Teachers' Day. I am G. Harshini of 2nd MA English Literature, and I deem it to be my privilege to speak on behalf of my classmates and the student community of the Maristella College. And on this note, I wholeheartedly wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. When I first entered this huge campus, I didn't know I would be a part of a huge family. I found out my passion, explored my dreams, and also made new friends who were there with me through kith and kin. All of this was possible only because of the support and motivation that I gained from you, my teachers. Today, we are who we are with all your guidance, leadership, and care that are nurtured upon us, and by encouraging us through hard times to become our better selves in the future. You showed us a way to becoming a meticulous student. You became our life gurus who taught us many values and ethics that help us in rocky path to success. We have immense respect for our lecturers who constantly bear the responsibilities in and out of college and also in handling the most naughtiest children. And due to these online classes, I believe it become even more worse for you. Despite of all these differences, we are forever indebted to your kind deeds in upbringing the hidden potential in us and to your efforts and commitment to educating us. Your contribution plays a major role in our life and to become one in the society. No matter how many times we annoyed you, irritated you, and bothered you with our craziness, you helped us gain confidence and face difficulties in life as well as in career. You, who are like our second parents, are our superheroes. It is even hard to imagine a world without you, who pave the way for a better future and who decide the fate of a nation. Lastly, I conclude by saying a big thank you to all our teachers for being our inspiration and in believing us. You are the backbone of our student community and a strong base for a bright and rational society. We are blessed to have such magnificent teachers who put their body and soul into their profession and in molding our capabilities and making us truthful citizens of the nation. Thank you for giving me such a great opportunity to convey my respects and gratitude to lecturers and teachers. Thank you.
Teacher, see the good inside me. Take my hand and guide me your way. Teacher, when you see me giving up, teach me how to stand up again. Thank you for all that you have done, and thank you for all you do. I've been molded by your hands, so thank you, thank you. Teacher, we are still the young ones, but we won't be the young ones for long. Teacher, take me and define me. When you are beside me, I'm strong. When old and wiser, I'll remember you. Promise I'll grow strong.
So, I thank all those those teachers who stood next to the frontline warriors in this pandemic, guiding and encouraging students in these tough times. Now, we have a tribute to all our teachers.
Having a celebration like this is really a nice thing where we can use technology in a right way, plus we can talk to each other. I really miss coming to college in the morning, the prayer and the classes, the canteen, the lunch break, library, everything. See, once I was in college, I never really cared about the college. I was like, I need to study and all. But once I'm not going to college anymore, it was all like, this time I would be doing this and I would be doing that. And I really, really miss all that. And my teachers.
Wishing you lots of happiness. Thank you.
Teachers, I know you thoroughly enjoyed this program, but it's time we say end to this celebration by offering a garland to our motherland. So, let's end this program by college anthem followed by our national anthem.
Alma mater, our youthful hearts in chorus sing of their love and loyalty today. Proudly we bear thy crystal often hail thee, guide of our lives and star of our way. Shine on our lives forever until our hearts are radiant with thy light. Star of the sea, our eyes shall seek thy guidance.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे